In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the colored from black and white video intro in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this video clip onto my timeline. The first thing you need to do is to select this clip and come over to the Effects tab and search for the Lumetri color effect and apply this Lumetri color effect onto your video layer over here. Next, come over to the Effects Control tab and move your playhead to the start of your clip. Now scroll down under Lumetri color, scroll down to the basic correction and select the arrow drop down and scroll down so that you can see the saturation, exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, and all these other parameters over here. The first thing you need to do is to move your playhead to where you would like it to begin to transition from black to colored, and at this position, toggle on the keyframe next to saturation, contrast, highlight, shadow, white, and black, and change the value from saturation from color to 0. Increase the contrast to your liking, reduce the highlights, reduce the shadows, reduce the whites, and reduce the blacks. And if we go back, you will see that we have a black and white video all the way to our keyframes over here. Now, to make it colored from here, move your playhead to the position where you want it to become colored. And at this position, hit the reset parameter for saturation, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and black. And if I go back now and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. And that's it, guys, on how to transition from black and white to colored in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video tomorrow.